Our world is changing. Cities are growing, food is moving faster, further, and we want healthier, more comfortable lives. These changes are driving up the demand for energy. So who's enabling more energy-efficient homes, cities, and industries? Armacell. We understand the world's energy demands and engineer solutions that make a difference. Solutions that help save energy, lower costs, and reduce emissions. As a global leader in equipment insulation, we are tackling the energy challenge, since the smallest things have the biggest impact. We manufacture equipment insulation, engineered foams and aerogel blankets, helping homes to optimize energy efficiency in solar applications, skyscrapers to reduce energy losses in air conditioning and water piping, trains to provide fire-safe insulation, onshore pipelines to prevent corrosion under insulation, and wind turbines to make renewable energy production possible. We invest in new technologies, focus on superior product performance, and constantly innovate thinner, lighter and more environmentally friendly products, so we can help cities meet the needs of energy distribution and enhance living comfort through thermal and acoustic insulation. Our vision is shared by 3,000 employees around the world who make Armacell a trusted and reliable partner and support our customers in more than 100 countries, where every individual has a passion to make a difference in our mission to enable a more energy-efficient world. Discover how at armacell.com.